Hi, preschool friends. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a wonderful start to the day. It's a rainy, wet day outside today, isn't it? But we learned that in April we do get lots of rain, and that means next month we'll get lots of flowers. Looking at our calendar, friends, we are almost done with the month of April. Can you believe it? I was wondering if you could help me figure out the day today. Let's take a look. I'm going to scoot us up a little bit so we can see really well. There we go. All right. Can you help me sing the April song? April. I can spell April. April. I can spell April. Good job! Today is Wednesday, so we know our day is going to be right here. Let's see if we can count. You're going to have to take a deep breath. There's a lot of numbers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Good job. What does a 29 look like, friends? You got it. It's a 2 and a 9. Good job. That means tomorrow is the last day of April. Uh-oh. Our tape isn't sticking too well. Let's see, Mrs. Seifert might need to get some new tape. There we go. So that means tomorrow is the last day of April, and then it's going to be the month of May. M-A-Y. And May is a special month. It's when all the flowers grow and it becomes warm outside. So exciting. Well, let's look at our alphabet chart. Look it. For our countdown, our ABC countdown, my friends, we're on letter F. Can you find letter F today? Good job. You see it? It's right here with the fish. Good job. Well, guess what letter F stands for? Letter F is called favorite. F for favorite. Stuffed Animal Day. So exciting. So for our lesson today, if you would like to stop the video and get your favorite Stuffie to learn with today, you can go ahead and do that right now. But I want to show my friends my favorite Stuffie. This is my big owl Stuffie. She is my favorite. She's so soft and cuddly. I like to use her as a pillow sometimes. She is so big and fuzzy and pink. And this is my favorite Stuffie. So I'm going to have her with me today. She'll stay right here. See her? She's sitting by us. Awesome. Well, we are going to continue in our lessons this week all about rainbows. Do you remember the colors of the rainbow, my friends? We learned about 2 new colors that are a little different, aren't they? Let's see if we can remember them. And we're going to try to look at all the colors today and see if we can remember them. So we have, look at this pretty rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Let's sing the song. Red, orange, green, blue, indigo, violet. Good job. Mrs. Seifert forgot a color. Let's try that again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That's so fun, right? We are going to learn more about God's beautiful rainbow today. I have a special book to show my friends. It's another Clifford book, My Big World, and it's all about rainbows, when a rainbow shines. Today is a rainy day. That means if we get a little sunshine too, we might see God's rainbow. So keep an eye out today. Sometimes they happen and sometimes they don't, and that's okay. Let's take a look at this book and read it. Do you see all the colors, my friends? It says, when the rainbow shines, it fills the sky with colors. What colors do you see? Do you see all the colors we talked about, friends? There's the red, and it turns to orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Remember, violet is like another name for purple. Wow. Water and sun make a rainbow. Rain reveals tiny drops of water in the air. The sun shines on them and makes a rainbow. Do you see it? When there's tiny drops of rain in the air and the sun shines on them, God makes a rainbow. So you need water and sunlight to make a rainbow. Let's look at number 2. A sprinkler sprays water. The sun shines on it and makes a rainbow. So sometimes you don't even need rain to come down. You just need some sort of water. Like this summer, if you're playing in the sprinkler outside, you'll have to watch for it if it's a sunny day. It might make a rainbow. Number 3. A waterfall sprays water. The sun shines on it and makes a rainbow. Do you see it? So pretty. Oh, look at this silly puppy. He's all wet. He's shaking himself off. Do you see a little rainbow by him, friends? A dog shakes and sprays water. The sun shines on it. The dog made her own rainbow. How cool is that? A rainbow in the sky doesn't look like a straight line, does it? Look at, is it a straight line, friends? No, it's curved, almost like the top of a circle, right? It is called an arch. This is called an arch. An arch is curved. Trace the arch with your finger. Can you make a rainbow shape with your finger, friends? Can you skywrite a rainbow? Good job, you're making an arch. Now look at this little boy. He's trying to make an arch with his body. Do you think you can do that too? Let's go on our hands and feet like we would pretend to be a cat. And then we're going to arch our back. Look at Mrs. Seifert's back. Can you arch it up like this and put your head down? And then you'll make a shape just like a rainbow. That is so cool, right? Let's look at the back of our page now. Look it. It says, let's get to know the 7 colors of the rainbow. Did you know that a rainbow has 7 colors in it, friends? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. And look at it, tells us what they are. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. And it says indigo is like dark blue. Violet, light purple. Good job. Do you remember our friend Roy G. Biv? He helps us remember the colors of the rainbow. Here's our silly Roy G. Biv friend. See, his name spells out the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Good job. Well, now Mrs. Seifert wants to teach my friends a new song about rainbows. Are you ready? This is our new song. It's a familiar tune. You might recognize the music of it from a Christmas song. So fun. All right, let's try it. First comes the rain cloud passing by, dropping raindrops in my eye. Then comes the sunshine up so high, now a rainbow in the sky. Yay, 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 who wouldn't go under the rainbow? Yes, I would. Under the rainbow, you and me, let's make friends, yes, we'll be. That's so fun, right? Such a fun song. I like that one. Now we're going to do a fun matching game. This is a game about rhyming. rhyming. Now I have some cards here, friends, but there's something missing. Look at, they're just half of a rainbow. We have to put them together like a puzzle and get them the matching half. So one half looks like this, and the other half should have a sun with it. And we put it together, and it makes a rainbow. But the trick is we have to get both of the clouds at the end to be rhyming words. Do you think we can do it? All right, let's take a look. I'm going to show them to you right here. So this one says hug, hug. We need to find a rhyming word for hug, preschool friends. Let's see. Does box rhyme with hug or rug? Let's try it. Say them together. Hug, box, hug, rug. Which one sounds similar? Remember, we're looking for them to have similar sounds. Hug, rug, or hug, box. You got it, rug. And if we put them together, it makes a match. Good job. All right, let's try this one. Oh, what do you see? It's a fox. Can you say fox? Good job. Let's find a rhyming word for fox. Does male rhyme with fox or box? Fox, male, box, box. What sounds the same? You got it, it's box. Good job. You see them? Good job, friends. Let's try another one. What's in this picture? A little snail. Snail. A snail. Let's see what rhymes. Does snail rhyme with cheese or mail? Let's say it together. Snail, cheese, snail, mail. Which one sounds the same? You got it. This one, mail and snail, are the rhymes. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, this is a good one. Are you ready? Here we have a bear, right? Let's see what bear rhymes with. Does bear rhyme with cheese or chair? Let's see, let's say it together. Bear, cheese, bear, chair. Which one sounds similar? You got it, this one, bear and chair. Good job. All right, let's try one more. Ooh, look at this yummy fruit. A berry, a berry. Let's see, what rhymes with berry? Berry, peas, or berry, cherry. Which one sounds the same? Let's try it. Berry, peas, berry, cherry. You're right, it's cherry. You friends are so smart. Good job. All right, we're going to do one more, preschool friends. Are you ready? Look at, what animal is this? It's a goat. Can you say goat? Good job. We need to find something that rhymes with goat. Let's see. Does cat rhyme with goat? Or does boat rhyme with goat? Let's see which ones make the right sound. Goat, cat, goat, cat. Do those sound similar? Or goat, boat, goat, boat. You're right, it's boat. It has the same sounds. And if you look closely, look at the letters. They even have the same last letters. See? G-O-A-T, B-O-A-T. They just have different beginning sounds, but the end is what matters and rhymes the most. Good job. The ending sounds are what rhyme. Thank you for helping me with that, friends. You are so smart. All right. Well, I want to show you what our art activity is going to be today. Do you want to see it too? Me too. It's going to be so fun. So Mrs. Seifert's going to give you a rainbow, but it's going to be a blank rainbow. So it's going to look like this. When you are doing this at home, you can have your mommies and daddies help you. What Mrs. Seifert did to make hers is I used watercolor paint. If you have watercolors at home, you can definitely use that. But if you don't have that paint at home, friends, you can color these with a crayon or a marker or a colored pencil, whatever you'd like, okay? Let's count the stripes in the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know it's the right rainbow. So we'd color the first one red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Look at the one I did. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Good job. And then Mrs. Seifert wants you to try something special on the bottom. This is if you'd like to do it. You can draw or cut out little clouds to put at the bottom like Mrs. Seifert did. And then you can write your letters in them to spell your name after your coloring is done. And then you can glue them on when your picture's all dry. So fun, right? And what Mrs. Seifert did is I put a little hole in the top of mine so I can put a string in it and hang it up in my house. That'd be so nice, right? So you can do that today too if you'd like. All right, and I'm going to send my friends a few other fun activities to do. This is one of them. Rainbow writing. This is one of my favorite things to do. It gets us to practice our letters, but in a fun way. We get to use colored pencils or crayons today. And what it means is you have to write the letters in rainbow order, okay? So sometimes, since it's hard to find an indigo and a violet crayon, I'm going to let our friends just use purple today. But look what Mrs. Seifert did. I did it in the rainbow color order. So A is the first letter, so I colored that one red. Then orange for B, yellow for C, green for D, blue for E, and purple for F. And then when I kept going, what would be next? I'd just start over again, right? I'd go back to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, okay? So that's how we're going to practice our letters today. So fun. And then I'm going to send you one more fun activity, okay? Well, I would like to end our special time together today by reading from our special devotion book. We're going to learn about God's promise today. Look at what it has. A rainbow. We're going to learn exactly what God meant when He sent the rainbow. Okay, let's learn and listen. I will put my rainbow in the clouds to be a sign of my promise to the earth, God said in Genesis 9, verse 13. Have you ever seen a big, bright rainbow in the sky? When the weather is just right, beautiful colors appear. Rainbows are very special because they remind us of a promise God made. After the flood, Noah and his family came out of the ark. Noah thanked God by giving him a special gift called an offering. The offering made God happy, and He made a promise to Noah. God said He would never send a big flood to cover the world again. Then He put a rainbow in the sky as a sign of His promise. The next time you see a rainbow, you can remember God's promise too. How many colors can you name in the rainbow? We're good at that, friends. We can do them all, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Good job. All right, well, to end our time together, friends, I want to send my friends out on a scavenger hunt for colors. Remember how last time we did red and orange? what colors come next in the rainbow? Let's look. Red, orange, yellow, green. So we're looking for yellow and green things today, friends. So I want to give my friends a few ideas. Let's see. Here's some yellow ideas. Look at a fish, a sunflower, a snail, a yellow spider, a little chick, a present, and a pencil. And for green, a tree, a hat, a dinosaur, a wheelbarrow, a car, a worm, a shamrock, and an airplane. So those are some ideas of things you can look for, friends. And it's probably best to look around our house today, right? Because it's so rainy outside. But if we look out the window, I bet we can see a lot of green things growing because it's spring, right? We see the green grass and maybe some green flowers and a little bit of green coming on the trees. Mrs. Seaver looked around my house this morning and I found some yellow things. First, I found a yellow bottle of paint, and I found a little yellow chick. So cute. Then I looked for some green things. I found a green pom-pom and a green marker. Awesome, right? So I'd like you now, friends, to go around your house and try to find 3 things that have yellow in them. Remember, we talked about it doesn't have to be all yellow. It can just have some yellow, right? Like Mrs. Seifert's flowers over here. Some of them have yellow, right? But some of it is pink and blue. So even if it's just partially yellow, that's good too. And then I'd like you to look for 3 green things, okay? So you have fun looking around your house and finding those colors. Go on your color scavenger hunt. And Mrs. Seifert can't wait to see you again next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye, preschool friends.